So guys, welcome to my channel, and first you have to come on this website gigabyte.com, which is download the driver for Gigabyte motherboard. Then you can see here search button, click to here and then enter model number of motherboard B860MD and then hit enter. Then guys, click to product, this one, click on here B860MD, then click to support. Chipset driver, so Intel processing, Intel, and click to download. So after download, just open it, then double click. Then double yes. It is install and close it.